If you've been following the 41 project, you know that the paint is the next step. I've been busy, Matt's been busy. What he doesn't know is I've been burning the midnight oil. I've got everything completed. We're gonna try to surprise him today.
Yo.
What's
Good
up?
stuff. All right,
Hey,
man. What do we got here?
Nothing. Oh man, I scratched it. Hold on. Got something else. I'll show you something.
Okay. All right.
Hey, can you hold that for me? You need to put that on your bike.
Oh, Cruiser Green.
You need to put it on your bike.
Which bike?
That bike.
You got some green?
I got all of it.
No, you don't. Are you serious?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
We've been
dude.
setting you up.
Oh God, that's killer! Look at this.
Yeah.
Dang, dude.
Yeah, burning the midnight oil there, bud.
Do you sleep?
No.
Cruiser Green, y'all.
Yeah.
Is this killer or what? What a color. So 1941, Harley-Davidson offered the Cruiser Green stuff. Super rare color combination. You never see these bikes. Dude, awesome.
Yeah.
So good. I don't even want to get any fingerprints on it or nothing. Dude, rad.
Cool.
Let's go hang it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, awesome.
I mean, like weeks we've been planning that.
Yeah, now I can do the horn. Oh, you got the tanks, dude.
Dude, I did the whole freaking thing.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, John.
Yep.
Killer.
Yep.
Dude. Yeah. All right, man. Good stuff. Give me 1 sec. We're going to hang this fender up here. Yeah, so there's that. Perfect. Oh, very nice. I love it. Yeah. Good looking, man. Looks real nice. Looks real nice. So as you guys can see, we picked a color, Cruiser Green. You guys voted, we voted, tabbed it up. Cruiser Green it is, 1941-42 only color. This is gonna make for one jazzy motorcycle. John, in secret, spent I don't know how much time. I know how hard you work on keeping this all this stuff perfect.
Easy.
Wasn't easy. Now this was nice sheet metal. It still takes a ton of work to make it look like it looks, guys. We're gonna be trimming this stuff out over the next day or two. Trimming the tanks out, mounting that front fender. Of course, we gotta yank this back while we're trimming the fender down. Or trimming the fender out. We'll mount the oil tank. Got to finish the kicker cover. One of the cool details on this bike actually had white tappet blocks and oil pumps. So 1941, December 7th, 1941, the U.S. enters World War II. That's what makes 42s particularly rare, or at least civilian 42s particularly rare. They were only produced for a short period of time. One of the neat little nitpicky details on the 42 Harley-Davidsons is they actually had white oil pump and white tappet blocks. Silver paint during the war was hard to get. So our manufacturers still producing motorcycles had to do what they did, or had to do whatever they could to keep the production line, the assembly line rolling. So Harley-Davidson actually painted some of these standard silver parts in white, tappet blocks, oil pump. Here's the oil pump cover. Now, the cool thing about this bike, this bike, before it was disassembled, was an original condition motorcycle. We ended up getting the bike in Savannah. It was primed when we got it. So the fella took it apart, went straight to priming it, getting ready for new paint, never got the work done. The engine, though, was pretty much a torn down original engine. And what we noticed was it had white oil pump and white tappet blocks. So we decided to go back with the white tappet blocks and oil pump. So all original hardware on this bike too. That's the neat thing about it, is you guys saw us take this thing apart or saw us unload it out of the boxes and bags. Everything was bagged and tagged. So the guy was so organized, little plastic baggies full of all the right nuts and bolts, and they're going back together. just the same way. So I'd say 98% of the hardware on this bike is original stuff, and that's just you never see that nowadays. So some great companies out there that make reproduction hardware. A lot of the bikes today on the road wouldn't be on the road without them. This one is a unique scenario, though. It's almost all original stuff. So, man, I'm sure glad we went with the Cruiser Green, John.
Yeah, really.
That bike is
classy.
Something else, man.
The trim on it.
Once we get the trim on it, it'll
Ugh.
blow it out of the water, man. Unbelievable. They're so, pretty subdued paint schemes at this point. 1930s, that was Harley-Davidson's time to shine with all of the Art Deco stuff. You guys might have just seen the video that we did unboxing the gas tanks with the really cool 1933 paint scheme. 1940, 41, they go back to that really single color paint schemes, but they were beautifully trimmed out. Stainless trim along the rib of the fender here. Really beautiful fender tips. This one's got some super neat trim. I've only seen it in pictures. We're going to show you guys here real shortly. Stainless trim on the tanks. Harley-Davidson kind of teardrop shaped emblem. And on the back you continue that stainless all the way on the rib of the fender. The 5 holes here are for saddlebag mounts. We got some really cool saddlebags that are just being finished up with a 41 Deluxe solo seat. Really excited about that. Hopefully have it here in about a week. And then our pal Tom Faber, the handlebars, we got original Harley-Davidson Hollywood handlebars. They were a little bit tweaked. So we sent it to Tom. Tom is our ace handlebar guy. He's been doing handlebars for Harley-Davidson motorcycles for decades now. Any bend you need, 1909 to 1965, Tom makes them. So rather than go with reproduction bars, though, and Tom makes an excellent set for a bike just like this, we sent Tom the original bars, and he's going to repair them for us. So wanted to stick with original. Hope to have those bars back in just a little while. So tons of chrome going to be on this bike too, guys, which is one of the neat things. When we took the bike apart, we could tell the bike had the chrome package. 1941, they offered more chrome in 41 on these bikes than just about any other year. You got chrome rims. What else was chrome? Ours had a chrome primary cover, chrome dash, chrome taillight cover, chrome headlight. The handlebars were chrome. What else was chrome, John? Do you remember right off the bat?
No.
We have to think about it.
Yeah.
I know we took a bunch of pictures. I've got everything listed, and then we can always refer back to the resource that is kind of like the Bible for this sort of restoration stuff. The Legend Begins, Harley-Davidson publication that has all the original order blanks, so we can really key in on a lot of that stuff and make sure that this is as accurate as it would have been back in the day. Bada bing, bada boom. God, I love it. We can really start hanging parts on this bike now that the sheet metal's back. John's put the pressure on me to finish up this engine. All right.
Yeah, I just want to kind of surprise you there.
Amazing. I can't wait. It's time to get to work.
Yep.